Yes, it is a Lego making robot. That is a Lego machine. And it makes red Lego bricks. My kids just got a free Lego brick. So you can see Legos come out there, then they get sorted here, and then the Legos go into a Lego bag and are distributed. So this is a display, and they talk about the standard 2x4 Lego brick, and there are, this is amazing, they worked out the math here. If you take 6 Legos, there are 915 million ways to make a combination of 6 Lego bricks. 103,765 ways to combine 6 different Lego bricks. And everybody who comes here gets their own personalized combination. Oh yeah, this tree, this giant tree, I forgot to mention, is made of Lego. So this is a Lego tree that stands about, I don't know, 60, 70 feet high, 20, 30 meters. And this entire tree is made of Lego. So let me see if I can get more some of the leaves. Oh wow, there's like little people living in the tree. Yeah? So there's some of the Lego leaves. There's some pixies, Danish pixies, living in the tree. Oh, there's even like a Lego house in the tree. I have no idea where my kids are. Hey, what's up, man? No, fine. They got stuff in the leaves.
Oh, wow.
This tree is huge. Oh, wow. It's got castles in the tree and princesses. This tree is monstrous. Oh, they got a crane that's still building the tree. Monkeys. Yeah?
Is that supposed to be Mars?
Don't know. Maybe. Space.
Yeah, there is a Mars Lego. Well, that's
That's the Martian Lego.
other arms. They're like supposed to be bad. That must be a moon. That must be the moon.
This tree is humongous.
I know.
Oh look, there's a woodpecker on the tree.
Oh, look at that spaceship though.
The space shuttle taking
Stuff
off.
lights up.
It is lighting up.
Oh, and there's a working thing there. Look, the tree's unveiling them.
Oh yeah, it's like a building underneath. It's a parking garage around the tree.
Huh.
The tree has a parking garage inside it. Look at these branches. Dude, it would take me like forever just to build a branch. And they built this whole tree of Legos. Hey, Flames.
At least if we fall, we can look for a tree.
Yeah, I don't think it would. You would probably crash. Oh, look at it. It's a flower-powered dinosaur. Look at these T-Rexes. These are pretty cool. You don't like the flower T-Rex? You like the robotic T-Rex? That's Mechagodzilla. Mechagodzilla. This is a baby Godzilla.
You know the Lego shop?
Yeah, we'll go to the Lego shop later. I just want to go to the Lego shop. Dude, we could have gone to a shopping mall if you wanted to go to the Lego shop. What's this? This is the baby. Oh, it's got teeth. It's got like... These are Duplos. Oh, this is a Duplo Lego. This is the mass. This is regular.
Person, like kid.
This is like real Legos. Dude, that's impressive. Look at that. It's got like the... Hey, Flames. Guess you're having signal problems. What?
That's for big.
This is like Mecha Godzilla.
All of those pieces.
This is what the Bionicle, yeah? Lego Bionicle.
I hate those kind of
Why?
yacht.
It's Mecha Godzilla. Signal is choppy. Yeah, bummer. This green one's impressive. So this is the Lego house. This is just where you go to learn about Legos. And you can experiment and play with kids. There's supposed to be about 1 million Legos. Oh my God, check a look at this. There's 1 million Legos here in this store. Not a store, it's a experience. Look at this city. And all the kids get these like building areas where the kids can build whatever they want to build. Oh, there's like an amusement park with a volcano.
What the? Oh, Colin, you have to see it. Everett, do you not understand? Wait, get up.
This is in Billund, Denmark. Billund, Denmark. And this is Lego's headquarters. Lego's factories. And Legos were invented here in Denmark. And this is the headquarters of Lego. I mean, I don't skip with the kids. I take the kids only to the best. No, we're over here anyway. There's a Yeti up in the mountain. Where's your brother? Look at all those trees down there. Let me go find your brother, yeah? He's gonna dig this. I still dig these dinosaurs.
It's super cool.
These are all designed by my first Lego. These are all master builders who have built Lego designs. Fabergé Lego. Yeah, she's around. So this is the Master Builder Gallery. Oh, look at these guys. Oh, cool trains. It's like Petra. The Lego junk. Oh, he's from Hong Kong. So this is a master builder from Hong Kong. It's from Hong Kong. At the end? Yeah? Did you see over there? Just wait till you turn your head over that side. What is that? It's a waterfall. It's a Lego waterfall. It's a rainbow waterfall of Legos. And there's like a big bucket of Legos for the kids to play in.
So where do we go? Red or blue?
We could start either one.
I've seen it.
The other kid has just seen the skyscraper and is gone. Let's go this way. That's where your brother, since your brother seems to have run like a banshee down the stairs. We just opened. It just opened like 20 minutes ago. So we're the first kids in. Now remember, there's also Lego Land, which is next door, which is an amusement park. So most of the kids are probably over there. What do you see? Oh, look, there's a guy climbing. That's a Yeti. He's having an orange juice or something.
That's the weird style.
Dude, that's the ones that you got from that orange set you have. Purple juice, grape juice. How's this one? He's having a fun day.
Daddy, look at this.
Yeah, it's massive, isn't it?
Down here.
What's underneath? A what?
Gold mine. Or mummy cave.
It's a vault. There's a vault underneath with a skeleton guard. It is huge. Look at all these trees. Yeah. Look at all the flowers, Parker. Details are amazing. They really went to town on this thing. Hey, Liga, how you doing? Guys, Liga Karklina is in the scope right now. She's a Danish periscoper. You guys should follow. Well, she's in and out.
That moves better.
Oh, it does swing.
No, but see the.
I see. There she is. Hey, Liga. So, oh, there goes the train. And it's going around the corner. I don't know where it's going.
Daddy. Daddy.
I don't know how many Legos are in this one. They just said there are millions of Legos to play with, literally millions. Oh, look, there's a camera on the train, guys. There's a train has a camera. So that's what the train is seeing underneath the tunnels. It is pretty crazy here. I'm sorry. Look at all the trees. Oh, there's a ski jump. You see the ski jump?
Yeah, I see it.
There's the volcano. You want to look at the volcano island? Look, the tribal island, which happened to open an amusement park.
Hey, look. Look inside that.
What is that?
Aliens.
It's a secret alien base underneath. It could be. They do look like robot aliens.
Look at the volcano. What's this?
Yeah, I will say either again.
It's a giant shark.
It's a giant fish. It's a fish submarine. Fabuland.
Carnival's so cool.
Carnival is cool. There's a beach too. Oh wow. There's like a whole side of this I didn't even see, including a giant ship. This is like a massive container ship Lego. So this is the view the train is giving us right now. And there's the container ship Lego. And this is, oh, there's a medical emergency helicopter coming in. And there's a fire raging downtown. And everybody's out for the movies or at the rock club. Looks like the police are throwing out a bunch of people there. You should come here, Liga. Guys, Liga Karklina is in the scope. She is a periscoper from Denmark, and she takes you around Copenhagen, our house, other parts of this place, so feel free to follow her. She's also a beautiful comic artist, writes very funny comics on her Instagram. So if you follow Liga, she's in the scope. You can see her chatting every now and then, so just hit the follow button, and you can see more of this sort of stuff every day. Oh, guys, there's a football field. It's the Women's World Cup. It's the U.S. versus Netherlands. But they don't have the real score up. USA, Netherlands.
Look at all the people on the street.
It's crazy. Oh, it's Chinatown. Wait, Chinatown. Chinatown. Yeah, I was.
Hey, look, bank robbers.
Liga from Copenhagen says hi, guys.
Hey, there's a flooding.
Does look like a Chinatown. This is not Hong Kong. This is in Billund, Denmark. B-I-L-L-U-N-D, Billund, Denmark. And this is the headquarters of Lego. Lego were invented here in Denmark, and this is their factory office tour kind of thing. You get to go around here and see what their master builders can create. So this is really part of the Lego headquarters in Denmark. Yeah. So if you do come to Denmark, you've got to come over to this island. It's a little bit far. It's about 2 hours away from Copenhagen, maybe 3, and take a tour here. We are on a self-guided tour, yeah. Oh, that guy. Hey, Parker. Iron Man. He's going to go apeshit. Look who's lifting up the elevator on this blue building. Iron Man.
Iron Man's there.
Yeah, and Superman's lifting the other one. There goes Superman. No, Lego is the Denmark invention. This container ship is impressive. Look at that sucker. Hey, Spike. Look at this container ship. All made of Legos. Down on the Lego dock. A lot of Craggle was used to build this. They used a lot of Craggle. So this is the beach. Oh, these are Duplos. So over here we have a Duplo invasion. So on the back it's all Duplo firemen. Now we're getting back into Legos. And then again, of course, this castle. This massive place. You know, I keep seeing new stuff every time. This is like little fish. It's like fish on this. Someone's whitewater rafting down there, down the waterfall. Still notice things every time you go around. So I tell you what, guys, I'm going to have to sign off. The signal's getting spotty. Thanks for watching. We'll make some videos of this on my Instagram and up on Twitter. And we're going to, and my YouTube. Go that way for a second. All right, guys. We'll see you very, very soon. Thanks a lot.